Good morning, students. Last class we have studied about the logo. Logo stands for language of graphics oriented, and it is a computer language that is used to draw shapes, figures, even we can do calculations and print some words. Okay, so this logo screen is divided into two parts. The first one, this is called as main screen, where the turtle, this triangle shaped object that is called as turtle, is placed at the center of the screen, and this is called as the home of the turtle. And this is called as the command window, where we give the commands in this input box. This is called as input box, where we give the commands. So as we give the commands, the turtle will move. Okay, so last class, if you remember, that we have seen many type of commands, that is forward, backward, right turn, left turn, hide turtle, show turtle. So let us revise first this all commands again. Then today we will also complete exercises of this chapter, that is chapter 5 logo. Okay, so this is the turtle, you can see. Now here I am giving the commands. Okay, so let me give the command, first command, that is FD, called as forward. Now by putting space, by put one space, you have to write the number of steps, like I am giving 100. Okay, so you can see the command window. Let me, this particular, you can see FD space 100, then you press enter. So you can see here, as I type the FD 100, then this turtle moves forward direction 100 steps. Okay, now if we want to turn the turtle, so how we can turn the turtle? By using the LT or RT. LT means left turn and RT means right turn. So let me give the left turn, and I want it will move in a 90 degree. So the turtle will move in the 90 degree. Now just see, in this way. Now let me again forward it 100 by number of steps 100, like that. Again, if we want to move, to turn the turtle in the left side only 90 degree, so let me give the command again, this one, LT 90 degree. Similarly, you can also do for FD 100, then again LT 90 degree. Fine, then again FD 100. So in this way you can make one box. Okay, so this, if you want to clear this, the next command I am telling you. Now you have learned the command FD, okay, and left turn. Suppose if you want to turn the turtle 45 degree, now you can see here, suppose RT, right turn 45 degree. Okay, so now see, the turtle moves right side 45 degree. Now suppose if I want FD 250, so it makes a line in the forward direction. Okay, and suppose again if you want to right turn, suppose 30 degree. Okay, and if you want to move the turtle back side, so you can press BK any number of steps, like this. I have given BK 250. So in this way the turtle will move back side. And suppose if you want to move the turtle, but you don't want that it will draw a line, आप चाहते हो turtle move तो हो पर वो line ना बनाए. So for that you have to give the command PU, pen up. When you give the pen up, PU, I have given the command here PU, pen up. Now if you move the turtle, let me turn the turtle right turn 80 degree, and now I am moving it FD 100. The turtle will sure move, but it will not draw a line, because I have given the command PU, that is called as pen up. Okay, but if you want again that the turtle will draw a line, then you have to give the command PD, pen down. जब आप pen down command कर देंगे, then again it will start making a line. Now you see FD 100. Now see, again the turtle is making a line. Okay, if you want to make, suppose you have drawn a line, now you want to erase it. जैसे मैंने अभी यहाँ पे एक लाइन बनाई, लेकिन अब मैं चाहता हूँ इसको इरेज करना, only this line, not the complete screen. So I will use the command PE, that is called as pen erase, and I want that BK 100. मतलब जितना मैं आगे आया उतना ही मैं वापस पीछे करके उससे मिटाना चाहता हूँ. So PE for the pen erase and BK for the backward 100 steps. Now press enter. Now you can see the turtle remove that line. So when you give the PE command, then the turtle will become the eraser. Okay, turtle क्या बन जाता है, लाइन बनाने के प्लेस पर वो इरेज करते चला जाएगा. बट सपोज अगर आपको फिर से लाइन बनानी है, देन अगेन यू हैव टू गिव द कमांड PPT. मीन्स PPT अगेन वो क्या करेगा, पेंट कमांड है PPT कमांड. PPT कमांड से क्या होगा, अगेन लाइन ड्रॉन होना चालू हो जाएगी. Again the turtle will start making lines. Okay, so I have just given the command PPT. Now the turtle will again come in the normal drawing mode. Now if you type FD100, so again it will draw a line. Okay, and suppose if you want to hide the turtle, अगर आप turtle को hide करना चाहते हो, then you have to use the command HT. Now the turtle will hide. But if other commands you are writing just like FD 100 steps, then it will work. The line will be drawn, but the turtle is invisible because we have done the command HT, that is called as hide turtle. Okay, and suppose if you want to show the turtle again, then there is a command called ST. It is again showing the turtle. Okay, and suppose if you want to remove this particular whatever you have drawn, then there is a command called clear screen, called as CS. In the short you have to write down CS, clear screen. The screen will be clear. And if you want to remove that particular the commands that is written in the command box, सपोज आपने ये जो कमांड्स चलाए हैं सारे यहाँ पे सेव हो गए हैं, बट अगर आप इसको भी हटाना चाहते हो, देन यू हैव टू गिव द कमांड CT, called as clear text. Now this command window will also become vacant. Okay, and suppose you want to close the logo, then the shortcut is this one only. If you close it, then also it will close, but there is a command also called as buy command, BYE buy. So if you type buy command and press enter, the logo will close. Okay, so I hope you understand all the commands properly. Now let us try to solve the exercises. So open your book, exercise, this particular exercise. Okay, it is the lesson 5 logo exercise. Let us start with the MCQ, that is multiple choice question. Blank screen is the graphic area where the figures are drawn. So again let me show you the logo screen. This is my logo software that I can start by just double clicking on it. So this screen, this where the turtle will draw something, so this screen it is called as main screen. Okay, so the answer here is the main screen. Okay, so give the just tick mark here, just tick mark here in your book, and also write down here main, MAIN, main screen. Okay, starting position of the turtle is known as home. Okay, what is the starting position known as home? So I can show you, this is the turtle at it is the starting position, and this position it is called as home. Okay, blank command is used to rotate the turtle towards right. If you want to move the turtle right direction, then there is command called RT, that is right turn. Blank command is used to put the turtle pen down. So there is a command called PD, that is pen down. If you want to put the pen down so the turtle will draw a line, then there is a PD command. And if you want that the turtle will not draw a line, then there is a command called PU. But in the question it is asking pen down, that's why the correct answer is PD. Blank is used to clear the text written in the command input box. Okay, there is a confusing. Suppose if I say in the graphics screen, the answer will be CS, but it is saying the command box. So इस box को delete कर, इस box में जो भी आपने command लिखे हैं, इसको अगर क्लियर करना है तो देयर इज द कमांड कॉल्ड CT. So the answer here CT is the correct answer. So just complete this all exercises, this MCQ in your book. Okay. Okay, fine. Then let us come to the true or false. Logo was designed in 1967 by Daniel G. Bobrow. Yes, it is true. The answer is true. So just write down true here. The BK command will move the turtle forward. No. The BK command will move the turtle backward, not the forward. So this statement is wrong. Just put the F. CS will erase the drawing from the screen. Yes, CS command we have seen that it will delete all the drawn figures. The HT command, that is hide turtle command, is used to hide the turtle from screen. Yes, this statement is also a right one. Let us do the fill in the blanks. Pointed end of the turtle is called what? So this is called the pointed head. This one is called as the pointed, means the top head. Okay, so pointed head of the turtle, it is called as head. We called it head. And the back side, it is called as tail. Okay, so let me give the answer here. Write down answer head. All the logo commands are entered in the command input box. Answer is command. This is the command input box. This one where we enter the commands of logo, this is called as command input box. Blank is the this dash is the blank area where the turtle moves, so that is called as filled. What we called it? Filled. This area, this complete area, it is called as filled, where this turtle draw the figures. The next one, blank are the instructions that you give to the turtle to draw any figure. That are the commands. Commands are the instructions that we give to the turtle for drawing any figure. And which command is used to exit from logo? That is the by command. Okay, so by command is the answer for the last one. So complete this all, fill in the blanks. Let us come to the match the following. So here HT with what this command it will do? HT command hides the turtle from the screen. Okay, so the answer is the fourth one. So just draw a line in your book like this. Fine. CS, so it will clears all the drawings from the screen. Third one, PU, lifts the turtle's pen up, so the turtle will not draw any line. And the last one is PE, that is called as pen erase, so it erases a line while moving the turtle. Now write the commands for the following. To move the turtle 80 steps forward. If you want to move the turtle 80 steps forward, so we can give the command FD, that is the forward, then put space is very necessary, then 80. Okay, if you want to move the turtle 70 steps backward, then what you have to give the command? BK is for the backward, and how many steps it is asking? 70. So the answer is BK 70. To rotate the turtle left by 45 degrees, so we have to do the left turn, so LT space 45. If you want to rotate the turtle right by 90 degrees, then you have to give the command RT space 90 degree. Okay, now you have to write the question answers. So the first question is, what is logo, who developed it and when? So logo, it is a free software program that we can use for drawing the figures, calculate numbers, and also print words. Okay, and logo was designed in 1967 by Daniel G. Bobrow. Okay, so already you have seen in this particular, we can draw any figure. Let me show you also, you can do the calculations. Okay, how you can do the calculation? Just write here print, 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 then any operation, suppose 60 plus operator, then 100, When you press the enter, it will also show you the output, that is 160. So in this way we can also perform calculations. ऐसे हम calculations भी कर सकते हैं, प्लस माइनस इंटू डिवाइड, है ना, in logo. So how? Suppose let me give 5 tanja. So print 5 multiply sign is here star. Multiply यहाँ पे आप स्टार से ले सकते हो, जो कि शिफ्ट 8 पर है. जब आप शिफ्ट को होल्ड करके 8 प्रेस करोगे तो स्टार का साइन आएगा, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द मल्टीप्लाई. सो 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10, आप जब एंटर प्रेस करोगे तो आपको आंसर यहाँ पे मिलेगा 50. सिमिलरली यू कैन ऑल्सो डू माइनस. सपोज 100 माइनस 50. When you press enter, it will also show you the output. So we can also do calculations. And even if you want to write some words, so print in the double quotes, inverted पे आप अपना नाम या कुछ भी लिख लो, just like welcome to my world of computers. Just press enter. So it will also show you the, just 1 minute. If you want to print something, then you have to put in a square bracket, like I have done. Okay, just like J, then this bracket. So you have to use after print this statement like this. So it will show you the output, that is you have written the J. So in this way we can print the words, we can draw the figures, and we can calculate it also. So this is the use of this logo software. Now explain the two parts into which logo screen is divided. So there are two parts, is main screen and the command window. And what is the use of main screen? Main screen means to draw figures. Okay. And command window, why we use this one? To give commands. Okay. So in the short you can write down, main screen is used to draw figures and commander window is used to give the commands. What is turtle? Where is it located? So turtle looks like a little triangle. You can see the shape of this turtle. It is in the triangle shape, and it is where it is located, at the center of the screen. So we can see that the turtle is at the center of the screen. You can also write down like that. It is located at the center of the screen, like that. Okay. Now the application based question. Your teacher asked you, can you hide and then show again the turtle on the screen? If yes, then by which command can you do so? So HT command is used to hide the turtle, and ST command is used to show the turtle. So write down this answer, and by this you have finished this chapter. Okay. If any doubt, you can ask me. Fine. Thank you.